Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is June the 8th, and I am using my new Super Scalper trading system. Super Scalper is this moving average here. When it changes from blue to yellow, you'll get an audio alert and a pop-up box like you see here, suggesting at least to take a look at it for either buying and or selling. Now the scalper, along with this TZ magic indicator, this gold line at the bottom here, these two are very good at finding the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. This is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now there are 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I provide the education, and you need a daily trade plan. You should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now remember, you do need a daily trade plan, or you will struggle for many years until you finally realize, I need a daily trade plan. So at 6 o'clock in the morning right here, I'm putting together my daily trade plan. Takes me about 30 minutes to do it, 21 instruments. And once I establish the fact I want to be buying or selling, then I just pop in this arrow, either up or down. So let's get into these trades. First one was the pound dollar. There's the arrow. Trade plan said to sell, so that's what I did. I sold it. So I would have had a signal right here where I got in to sell. Now the market is very random, and you got to remember that. It's just because you're going to sell doesn't mean immediately will go in your favor. This situation went a little bit, but this would have been a better sell signal up here. But anyhow, that it just does cycles, and I knew eventually I was going to get pips. So I took the trade at this cursor. It's a pound dollar, it pays $10 a pip, so this should be 8 pips. And there it is right there, 8 pips. And that's why you see it paid $800. Let's move on to the 30-year bonds. Now this one pays $5 a pip. Knew I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow right there from the daily trade plan. Went mostly sideways until finally it went. Now when I take the trade, I'm approximately 95% sure I'm going to have a winner. And that is all compliments of the daily trade plan. And looks like there's 32 ticks there. And if you multiply 32 times $5 times 10 lots, that paid out to $1,600. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did, the pound CAD. There's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I got in at. So this one I exercised a little bit more patience. I waited for the signal. There it is right there when it changes colors. So I pulled the trigger at this cursor. I knew it was going to go down. And looks like I got 23 pips. And those 23 pips paid out $1,833. Okay, let's move on to the next trade with silver. Silver pays $50 a tick. Now you're not going to see big numbers in here. There's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling it. And let's see what I ended up with. Looks like 7. So 7 times 50 times 10 lots. That paid out $3,500. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. This was a preferred one. In other words, on my daily trade plan, it had at least 5 ups in a row. Even if you would have just traded this preferred, once you get the signal from back here, let's see where I did get in. I waited for this little bit of a pullback there, and then I jumped in. And looks like it paid out, well, at least where I closed out the trade. Looks like 47 pips. And 47 pips on the pound yen paid $3,500. Okay, let's move on to the euro yen. Here we go. Euro yen. Just to let you know, this was a preferred one again, as it had five. I just checked my daily trade plan, and all 6 time frames said up. And as you can clearly see, it went up. Love my daily trade plan. Very, very high success rate. So let's see where I got in at. I pulled the trigger right away because I knew it was going to go. And away it went for 52 pips. And those 52 pips paid out $3,873. Don't you just love trading the super scalper along with the daily trade plan? Okay, now we're moving on to the DAX 30. This one moves a lot more and pays a lot more. Here we go. I knew I wanted to be selling from my daily trade plan. There's the arrow. Let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. I took the calculator and took the money and divided it by $3.75. Because if you're doing one standard lot, that's what it pays for each tick. So let's see where I got in at first of all. So I got in at this cursor right here, and I closed it out here. Could have made a lot more, by the way. Over 800, but in this situation, and the number that came up on the calculator was 344 ticks. Let's see if I can show that. Here we go, 342. Very hard to get it right on, but just to let you know, it's 344 ticks times the money times the 10 lots. That paid out $12,937. So another great day of trading using my super scalper along with my daily trade plan. I knew it was going to be over 300 pips. I just added everything up, and because of the DAX 30 here, the number increases quite a bit actually. I ended up with 513 pips and ticks, and those 513 pips paid out $28,044. So if your system is not producing like my super scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. If you want some more information, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up, my super scalper system. Do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my super scalper system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 3 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff with packed with a lot of educational material. Should help your trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of different ways to trade. That's why there's 22 training videos, and each video is about 30 minutes long each. Now you can put the video on pause, read everything here, and of course if you have any questions at all, quite simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, well, simple again, just send me an email. Remember there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype, made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we'll have Skype screen sharing along with Skype connection. And with that, I'll give you some tips and tricks and give you answer all your questions. And of course, keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, providing there's no distractions, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.